be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step foot in them sneaker stores. Like, where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would. What's up, everybody? It's Big Roth TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. Alright, now let's go ahead and get this one in, because this is a model that I do not have. Alright, this is a new model to the collection. So here you see that this box comes from New Balance. Alright, now I've been kind of eyeing these for a little bit as we go ahead and bring the box out, but I waited and I said, you know what, let me go ahead and give these a shot. Let's see what's going on with them. And although this says this is not a receipt, this is ultimately the receipt for all you receipt boys out there. Alright, now these are ones I just wanted to go ahead and give a shot and add to the collection, because I like the way that they looked, and I just was unsure about the sizing because of these. These New Balance 550s are cool and they're comfortable, but I feel like I could have went down half a size, or you know, maybe down to a 13. So on this one, I actually got a 13 because they don't have the half sizes. Alright, so anyway, these are New Balances. Okay, New Balance. And these are the New Balance 650s. Okay, BB 650. Okay, say these are a lifestyle shoe, and I went with a size 13 on these bad boys here. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into them. Inside the box, white New Balance, I almost said Adidas, white New Balance logo there on the paper. Alright, let's go ahead and open these up. But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Roth TV. Yep, New Balance, they don't watch the show. They put the right one first. Gonna open up the paper here. Okay, there we go. There we go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Very nice. Left shoe first, baby. Yes, sir. The New Balance 650 in that white, royal, and black colorway. Yes, so very, very retro looking, man. These are right in line to me. Just looking at them right now, these are in line of what I like. I like this style of shoe. If you watch this channel, you know I'm a big fan of the Adidas Forum. I'm a big fan of Jordan 1s. This is right in line with that. I like these a lot. Man, this feels like an 80s shoe right here. Like, I could picture like a Larry Bird or a Magic Johnson or so. I know they wore Converse, but you know, somebody from back in that day wearing a shoe that looked like this. You know what I'm saying? Moses Malone driving the lane for the Sixers wearing some of these. You know what I mean? You can see that in these. These are just old school looking. I love it. Okay, so it looks like they come with Ortholite Comfort Foam insoles. Alright, so they will come with some Ortholites. I like it, man. I like these a lot. Nicely laced. So we got to pull that out so we can see. Boom. White laces. Regular white laces. Nothing on the tips there. Okay, so let's go ahead and unlace these so we can see what else we got in here. 650 there on the side. New Balance logo. New Balance once again here. On the back, you have your New Balance logo again. Same on the inside here. White midsole. Nothing written there on the inside, but on the outside, you have your New Balance logo and also the wording of New Balance there. All right. Got a little bit of breathability, as you can see those holes there on the side and on the other side, and just a little bit on the toe box. Just a little bit of breathability there on the toe box so your feet don't be all stank and stuff. All right, let's open these up. Just a little taste. We get the paper out of here. And on the inside, you have that royal collar all around the inside there. Let's check and see how these would be, because I know they played ball in these back in the day. The way this feels right now, there's no cushion on where your ankle and everything's going to be. There's enough here, but down where the heel of your foot and all that's going to be, there's not a lot of cushion. So yeah, these are definitely lifestyle at this point. These aren't for hooping. But you do have your New Balance logo there on the inside. And on the back is your sizing label and the New Balance logo. But as you can see, while I keep mentioning basketball, it says New Balance there, 650, and there's a bouncing ball. That is a bouncing ball logo there. So these were at one point their high tops for hooping. But don't do that. Don't do that with these. I personally wouldn't. Maybe you want to give these a shot and hoop in these, but I personally would not hoop in these at all. All right, here's the bottom. Let me get that out the way. Nice bottom there. Feels like they would have some pretty decent traction. Once again, I would not hoop in these. But if you want to, it looks like the traction would be pretty decent in these. Non-marking soles, so yeah, these ain't gonna scuff up the court if you do decide to go hoop in them. But yeah, man, overall, these look exactly like something I would enjoy right here, man. But, moment of truth, you know what we gotta do now? We gotta take these boys on feet. All right, here we are on feet. Okay, with the New Balance 650s. All right, there you are. A little bit of side view action. Top down. All right. Boom. Okay. Now for size reference, I went down on these in comparison to the high top versions, and I actually feel a little bit better about these in a 13, and I feel like going forward in this model, I will be getting a 13. You know, when you don't know what size you wear, you kind of go with what you think, and a 14, yeah, that's not going to be the size going forward. This 13 feels about right. This feels about where I should be in this particular shoe. So my big toe is right here. It's a little bit of room, but you can't go down at all. I could not go to a smaller size. I'm definitely not getting into 12. So yeah, these are perfect right here. 13 is the size for me. All right. Now let's go ahead and get some of that coming at ya. Coming at ya. Yes, sir. Now let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view for you all. Yes, sir. But anyway, that's gonna do it for these. Yo, definitely a dope shoe. Definitely a style that I would continue to wear. And they do have a red pair that is pretty much this exact same shoe. Wherever there's blue, it's red on that one. So now that I know my true size, I can try for other colorways. And I really, really like this model, man. It fits right in line with the style of shoes that I really like now. I don't like to wear, you know, super big, bulky shoes like that all the time no more. Like I used to wear. Like I used to wear a bunch of, you know, I still own them, and I'm gonna wear them because I own them. But you know, the Jordans and some of the LeBrons that are big and bulky. I really like this style of shoes. I really like the Chuck Taylors, the Jordan 1s, the Forum Highs. You know, I like that style of shoe, man. Comfortable shoe, that style, that classic old school style of shoe. I like it. So I would recommend these. Easy recommend for me. All right, if you can get them, they're available. New Balance website. Finally, there's some pairs of these 650s and 550s that aren't selling out. They were selling out a lot initially, but these are available. So if you head to the New Balance site, you'll be able to pick these up, man. I highly recommend them. All right, but anyway, that's gonna do it on these. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. More content is on the way. And I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.